Welcome to BAASS Business Solutions Sage X3 Food and Beverage video series. I'm Dave Cranage, North American Field Sales Engineer for Sage Software Group. Thank you for joining us. At BAASS, we optimize operational performance and drive growth with tailored business solutions. Since 1988, we've completed over 5,000 implementations across North America, aligning customer strategies with our specialized teams and proven methods. Our commitment to innovation and quality is strengthened by partnerships with top publishers and third-party providers. Our core values of innovation, accountability, adaptability, and wise decision-making guide us in delivering exceptional service and making a lasting impact through our software solutions. Sage X3 is essential for food and beverage manufacturers offering ERP solutions that enhance operations, compliance, and efficiency in this dynamic industry. This video series focuses on how Sage X3 helps food and beverage manufacturers overcome challenges in regulatory compliance, research and development, safety, quality in purchasing and manufacturing, and distribution traceability. In our first video, we'll begin by reviewing the key regulatory and certification requirements that impact food and beverage manufacturers. We'll then switch over to Sage X3 to get familiar with the look, feel, and navigation of the system. Finally, we'll delve into recipe and formulation management, part of Sage X3's support for managing the F&B research and development process. We'll explore a general recipe overview, followed by specifics regarding recipe ingredients, property equations and characteristics, quality specifications, regulatory attributes, estimating and quoting capabilities, and we'll finish up with how to publish recipes. That's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Government agencies like the FDA and industry bodies such as Fair Trade establish regulatory and certification requirements for the food and beverage sector, aiming to ensure the safety, quality, and transparency of food products. These regulations and certifications form a part of the intricate landscape that food and beverage companies navigate. Adhering to these standards not only ensures legal compliance, but also fosters consumer trust and facilitates entry into global markets. Sage X3 simplifies the creation of compliance reports and documentation for regulatory agencies, industry standards, and global organizations. Users can readily access historical data, audit trails, and documentation to demonstrate regulatory compliance during inspections and audits. Food and beverage companies can use Sage X3 to generate documentation for ingredients sourcing, production processes, quality control, and regulatory compliance, streamlining audits for increased transparency and accountability. Let's head over to Sage X3 to explore the system and see how it is purpose-built for the food and beverage industry. Sage X3 is an ERP solution with comprehensive features for business management, encompassing finance, inventory, and production. Tailored specifically for the food and beverage industry, it is designed to streamline operations, ensuring compliance with government regulations and certifications, all while maintaining profitability. Sage X3 uses role-based permissions to control user access and dictate what users can see and do in the system. On the X3 home screen, users manage daily activities and real-time reporting using customizable landing pages equipped with gadgets. These gadgets, such as toolbars, inquiries, charts and graphs, and visual process maps, enhance the user experience and facilitate efficient task completion. We'll use the F&B Manufacturing Overview map to explore X3's built-in capabilities like recipe management, batch process manufacturing, quality control, regulatory compliance, and traceability, which help F&B companies stay competitive and compliant. At the core of X3 manufacturing is the product master, the central source of product information. The product master in X3, with its three sections, the left list, center console, and right panel, offers a comprehensive 360-degree view of the product, facilitating centralized data for optimized manufacturing, procurement, regulatory compliance, and product life cycle management, leading to potential savings. Exploring the right panel, let's review the production slip. This view consolidates information about a manufactured product, including the product's recipe or BOM, routing information, and a multi-level view of intermediate, raw materials, and manufacturing operational components. Now, let's return to the pre-sales R&D recipe and formulation section of the F&B manufacturing overview map to further explore recipes and formulation. During the recipe and formulation process, food and beverage manufacturers carefully consider food regulations and certifications to ensure compliance with legal requirements, meet customer expectations, and access specific markets. Let's review some of the X3 F&B capabilities available in the recipe and formulation process. To do this, let's click on the R&D Recipe and Formulations icon to access a list of recipes. Imagine a well-established bread manufacturer known for its traditional and specialty bread varieties. Recently, they observed a shift in consumer preferences towards healthier options, including gluten-free and whole grain breads. To address this trend and stay competitive, the bakery decided to leverage Sage X3's recipe and formulation capabilities. Sage X3's recipe and formulation capabilities empower your R&D team by providing specific F&B capabilities in areas such as ingredients. The bakery's R&D team, inspired by Sage X3, experimented with alternative flours, grains, and flavorings to create new formulations. Capabilities such as sequencing, versions, unique batch quantities, and critical process instructions were used to efficiently manage the process, reducing errors in the production of their healthier bread options. Property equations and characteristics, and quality specifications. Real-time property equation calculations played a crucial role in establishing critical characteristics for the new formulations. This allowed the bakery to ensure nutritional information and allergens met specific targets, safely aligning with the consumer shift towards healthier choices. Regulatory reporting, quality control, and testing were seamlessly integrated into their new formulation via recipe-specific specifications. This not only streamlined compliance, but also maintained independent historical results for each specification with each recipe revision. Regulatory documents. Sage X3 facilitated the automatic distribution and tracking of various regulatory documents, including certificates of analysis and safety data sheets. This was critical for the bakery in navigating the complex regulatory landscape while introducing healthier options. Estimating and quoting capabilities. The bakery's strategy for profitability and competitive pricing aligned with Sage X3's recipe estimating and quoting functionalities. Batch size definition, detailed cost calculations, and customer-specific tiered pricing were employed, enabling the bakery to adapt to market changes quickly and effectively. Publishing recipes. Once approved, the bakery efficiently published the recipe information from the R&D sandbox to the item master, BOM, and other manufacturing elements of X3. After publishing and piloting the new products, the bakery efficiently engaged with specialty ingredient suppliers through Sage X3's procurement capabilities. This facilitated swift determination of supplier capabilities, request for quotes, pricing negotiations, contract establishment, and real-time tracking of ingredient deliveries, ensuring a consistent supply of high-quality ingredients for their new bread recipes. In essence, Sage X3's recipe and formulation process, exemplified by the bakery's journey, showcases how innovative solutions can adapt to changing consumer preferences, introduce new products, and maintain a competitive position in the food and beverage market. The intricate integration of regulatory considerations from the early stages of Sage X3's recipe and formulation process aligns seamlessly with the complexities of the industry. Thank you for watching this first video in BAASS Business Solutions Sage X3 Food and Beverage video series, where we highlighted Sage X3's pivotal role in assisting manufacturers to overcome regulatory and certification challenges, specifically in the research and development process. Look out for our next video in the food and beverage segment, focusing on safety and handling in inventory and warehouse management. For questions or to connect with one of our expert technology advisors, please use the contact information displayed on the screen to reach BAASS Business Solutions.